Hey and welcome to Alpha. We are now going to run my favorite binary option robot. Alpha Master is a robot that you find inside Pocket Option. If you want to run this robot also, you can do so too. Just use the link you find up there right now and you can download this robot and get started there. Lately now I have started to show the win rate and all the trades, and I will do so in this episode also. So in the end of the video, make sure you see to the end. You will see all the trades and the win rate and all this good stuff. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you are interested about that, check it out. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. So now let's take a look at the last trades. Today we got 4 trades, by the way. We won all of these 4 trades. And if you see up there now, I forgot to change the date for today, but we know how the trades we did yesterday also. You can see total we have 8 trades and all winners. So this is how strong this binary option robot is. Alpha Master. It's a high win rate on this one, so you can even run it without martingale if that's what you want. So there once again you see, if you want to run this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.